Hello you guys. So I'm gonna show you this 7-Eleven machine. This vending machine that's pretty much all over in Thailand these days. Very convenient. Just like what you would see in Japan, right? Anywho, look at there. Doesn't that look good? Very convenient indeed. But not too pricey as well. This is like 99 cents. So it's pretty good. 99 cents USD. What else do I want to show you? Oh yeah. What else do I want to tell you? I think these should be put miles as well. It'll be very convenient for a lot of people. What do you think? Got some Thai baht here. Got some Visa payment. Very nice. Let's see what we got to eat. Ooh. Yummy. Got some big snacks and desserts. Any ice cream?